It's 2 days after Christmas, and we back. We got a repeat customer here. She's been ordering maybe 3-4 dozen at a time, and we're gonna go see what she say this time. Follow me, and let me go deliver this other order. Excuse my floor. It's the holidays and people's feet get my carpet dirty. Don't worry about that. I'll probably even try to edit that out. No, I won't. But let's go see what she got to say. 1 second. I'm actually gonna put the phone in my pocket. Just listen for the audio, okay? 1 second. Phone's going in the pocket. Stay with me, y'all.
Oh, hi.
Hello, here with the tamales.
Great.
Those are the cold ones, and these are the warm ones.
Okay.
How you guys doing?
Oh, we're doing pretty good.
That's good. And these are the warm ones.
All right, thanks.
Okay. And how did she want to take care of the balance?
She's going to pay you in cash.
In cash?
Yeah.
That's fine.
Okay. And this is. And that was 80.
I told her 70 because I took off $10 for the discount and I took off the delivery.
Okay.
So this let me get you some change then.
Okay.
Or do you have a 10?
We don't have a 10.
But I may have change in the car.
Let me ask my mom about this.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, and I'll check in the meantime. 1 second. So, as you can hear, they're trying to overpay me, and I'm not allowing them to. So let me go get some change out the car. Hold on, wait one. Give her her change. Got it. I got the change. You said keep it for a tip?
Yeah.
Appreciate you guys. So tell her thank you so much, and I'll see you guys soon.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yep.
And that's what good business do. Keep the change. Tamales.com, you guys. Yeah.